बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय चैनल आर टू लर्न। इस वीडियो में हम बायोलॉजी का जो पेपर है पास्ट वो आपके सामने मैं रख रही हूँ। आप इसको रीड करें क्योंकि इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन मुझसे नहीं होगी, क्योंकि मेरा सब्जेक्ट बायोलॉजी नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे लगा ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होगी तो मैं मुकम्मल पेपर आपके सामने लेके आई हूँ। तो चलो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। आप इसको साथ साथ पढ़ते जाएँ, आपको आई होप क्लियर हो रहा होगा। The most common respiratory pigment in mollusks and crustaceans is. Next question था, these are well known for their high protein frequency. Third था, radiation can cause. और fourth था, red data book provide data on the vertebrate liver function in an all following regulatory process except the true statement about greenhouse effect is that species that occur in different geographical regions separated by special barrier are which geological period in the age earth is also known as the age of fish. The one environmental problem that is the root of all other environmental problem is pollution, मुझे लगता है। Silk is produced by an Annelida chlorogongan tissue convert excess carbohydrates into energy storage molecules of the following are functions served by echinoderm water vascular system except one. Select the exception. Nails, hoof and horns are example of which of the following organ word as a blood bank and also graveyard of blood corpuscles. Two amino acid of the standard 20 contain sulfur atoms. They are in molecution. The food is modified into phenol in which of the following is absent in xylem and gymnosperm. The roots which develop from any protein of the plant except the radicle are known as. The paraneth is the term used when which plant is the most. In which of the following row would you place plant which produce spores, has vascular tissues and lacks seed? The decline of MPF at the end of mitosis is caused by agar is obtained from normality. Sex linked genes are located in X chromosomes in men. This indicates that the communication between animal in physical contact with each other are referred as complex. Camera eye of squid is different from vertebrate eyes. In which of the following type is involved was creating water current during filter feeding of sponge? Recent studies have shown that antigen A B are not proteins, they are rather special type of carbohydrates. Antigen A is. What is the national tree of Pakistan? Deodar. The book titled Study of Insect was published by which subdivision has been characterized by the absence of zoos popper as well as perfect state spores. Which one is the not lichen talus? These are hyphae which fungus sink into plant host cell through a minute pores in the cell wall. Which one is not a submerged hydrophyte? Weathering may be. Which one is drought resisting xerophyte successful plant? A ground plane showing the relation of floral leaves in each other and the mother axis is called. Which one of the following is not included in a single gain effect mechanism? Taxosubstance can influence organism in what major way at a cellular level? The C4 photosynthetic process was discovered by. To which of the following geographic regions does Pakistan belong to? Flatworms, some Sanitarian and gastromolses move by means of waves of activity in the muscular system. This type of movement is called in a fame mammal. Which of the following hormone induces the mammary glands and secrete and eject milk after birth. In check, embryo or depression form at the anterior margin of the primitive stick that mark the beginning of an inward migration of epiblast cell. Is spine glands are present in median eye is present in clinic AMP activity in science. Many zoologists believe that multicularity could have arisen as dividing cell together. Which one of the following is called stone worth? The vitamin produced in skin is coaxial gland are present in Trimethy. Monoxide is produced in fruit is family. Pepsia is the growth session would generally be shortest in which bloom. One difference between cancer cell and normal cell is that during protein synthesis at the ribosomes pairs with the protein improvement and wise use of resources is known as which is the air where Balochistan black bear do not exist. Which group is of fish is close relative to tetrapods, who coined the term mutations? Which one of the following enzymes play a central role in this control of cell cycle? The combination of Darwin evolutionary theory and the population genetic is referred to as who coined the name of Civelak for the first time. Which one of the following is the national fish of Pakistan? Threat to aquatic biodiversity are who coined the term homeostasis to describe the tendency toward internal stability. The Krebs cycle and glycolysis are regulated by enzymes. Cell involved with protection, support, and nourishment within the nervous system is called a specialized, much reduced, short underground stem composed of broadly conical disc is called. There are two rings from glucose alpha and beta because the mechanism of intake of DNA fragment from surrounding medium by cell is called who created the first rDNA molecule. The virus commonly used to infect cells culture for the production of interferon is smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved when all the following substance pass through cell membrane except bacterial cell wall is made up of secondary cell wall of plant is flowering plant first appear during dash period. There are the most highly evolved arthropods. Stratocost was as found in various gastropod. Kapaploids and Kirstein are good example of who wrote the book of brief history of time. Asmara is the capital of Eritrea. The Great Barrier Reef is located in which country? Khwaja Nazimuddin was forced to step down Prime Minister Governor General. Sikandar Mirza, Mr. A. Hume, on whose initiative the Indian National Congress was formed, was Robin Williams, who committed suicide, was famous as an alien. How many member states are there of SARC? UNO is considered to be a universal organization. Which organ of the UN has full representative of all member states of UN? The operating system in a computer manage the red wavy line under text indicate in 500 kg of meat feed 20 lion at a zoo for a week for how many days? Well, 200 kg of meat feed 12 million. Complete the number series 2, 7, 14, 23, 47. Complete the proverb there is a place like which is synonym of successive. What is the antonym of Latin? Find the correctly spelled word. Pollination by bird is called. Wood is the basic raw material used in the मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ इनमें से कौन सी ज़रबुल मिसल ठीक है? ये शेर किस मशहूर शायर का है? आपके तजीद वफा का इम्कान ने जाना याद किया तुझको दिलाएं अमजद इस्लाम अमजद फैज़ अहमद फराज मीर तक की मीर। आई होप आपके लिए वीडियो हेल्पफुल होगी आपके आने वाले लेक्चरर बायोलॉजी के टेस्ट में। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग। अपना ख्याल रखिए। और दुआ में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।